Fine mixtures.
Using Quick Blue.
Oh.
Okay, so we need 2 ounces of this.
Which is how, what am I?
Which is Ion 30 volume developer. We were told to mix it with this Ion Absolute Perfection Booster, which is supposed to dilute it to 20 volume.
That's all? Mm-hmm. That doesn't seem like much.
You don't have much hair. So this is what our bleach looks like.
Blue.
It's blue and whipped creamy.
Hey, if anybody smarter than us is watching this, can you tell us why you're not supposed to use metal clips with bleach? And is it because it might strip cheap metal? Because I think that's why.
I was confused about that.
It's too late to back out.
No, but it will be very shortly.
Well, it feels like you just got the roots there.
I didn't get the roots, I did get your neck.
Oh,
though.
whatever.
So,
That's cool.
got it.
Is that gonna burn?
But tell me if it starts.
And it's still on the neck.
Barely. There. That is definitely bleached.
Wasn't that one of the issues? They never use enough bleach?
Yep, so we're using enough.
Oh, you just painted my neck.
I'm
with
sorry.
bleach. I think it's starting to burn.
Really?
My neck.
Are you serious?
Little.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we got enough.
Yeah, it's kind of funny.
It's not.
Does the chemical burn? Why are we using foils?
Because it said no heat.
Oh, right. Why are we going to use a bag then?
Because, can you put your head up more? Okay, so,
Why did that sound panicked?
because we're almost at bleach.
And how much hair do I have left?
The front.
How saturated is the back?
Very.
Well, it sounds like you can lose some of that saturation up front.
Get your little baby hairs. Okay.
Everybody knows those are the most important hairs to fully saturate, yes. It's gonna be a little darker in the front.
It might be a little darker in the front.
Is the front of my hair still like just brown?
No. Just less saturated. Let me steal some of
That's
this
what I was
saturation.
suggesting. There's excess saturation. You could unsaturate so as to, wow, this seems very like less liquidy now.
Yeah.
Much more paste.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a paste? Seems a lot drier.
Tomato.
No.
It's just drying.
Solid liquid. I mean,
Okay, the front is going to be a little drier. Oh, I'm sorry. Did
That's
I get
fine.
in your eye?
just my mouth. Oh,
That's-
there's a lot of bleach on me.
Well, I think we've got everywhere.
Yeah?
And you are blonde, so
That was quick. Wait, like blonde enough that I should get this out?
no, you
Okay.
still have to do your roots.
Well, yeah, but the rest of it goes slow. The roots should go fast. Maybe I have cold roots. Maybe my head doesn't have a lot of heat. I don't do much thinking, so.
All right, I think that's what we're getting.
You could
So,
get some water on it to make it more liquid, right?
should I do that?
I don't know if it's
I could
really,
put some more developer in
I mean,
there.
I see that it's very dry because it's covering my pants. And hopefully not the dog. Is it better? That's wetter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there we go.
Every-
Wetter is always better.
That's not exactly what he said, but okay.
What did he say?
No, I mean, it's just like spritzing.
It is spritzed.
Well, you just kind of fanning
Here.
water into it.
Now it's spritzed. So this is what we're working with now. So it's a bit patchy. Like the front is still kind of dark, like at the bottom, and like lift your head up, and like right there.
The roots.
But turn around, and like
There's
some of
patchy
these
back
ends are dark, but
Oh my
you know
God.
it's
Super soft.
very very light and it's very soft. So there we go. Turn around. Do a little dance. So it looks pretty, very, very blonde. And I think it actually looks good. It's still a little like orange towards the ends back here. But I think it looks fine. It's a little darker at the root. But according to Brad Mondo,
It's better
That's-
than it could be.
that's aight. So for the color, we're using Ion Permanent Brights. And the lady at Sally's said to use 20 developer, but the box said to use 10. So we have 1 ounce of water, and we're going to use 1 ounce of 20 volume instead of 2 ounces of 20 volume.
Because apparently you can dilute it with water.
Is it supposed to turn pink?
I don't know. It's supposed to.
Because it looks
'Cause it's just white.
It's white.
Maybe I am going to be blonde then.
I think you might just be blonde.
That would be really funny.
So this is supposed to be magenta.
And it's literally just the color white.
But it's just this color.
It's just bright white.
So let's see what happens when we put the developer in.
It is the same color as the wall behind.
Did we get it?
Magenta.
Did we miss something?
Cream hair color.
All right. So this is what it looks like with the developer in it.
Still white.
It's very, very white. So hopefully it turns pink in his hair. Okay.
We have to section this?
Yeah, I got a section.
Oh shit, we got a hole.
So we've got, and I don't think you have to like worry about your roots with the color. So I'm just gonna like do all of it. Unless you feel strongly.
I don't know, does Brad feel strongly?
I don't know, I don't remember. I don't know if like you can get hot roots from color.
You know, in the videos we've watched, it always turns the color.
Yeah, so it'll be fine.
No,
I mean,
no,
but
no,
it also
no,
does.
No. That turns the color.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why it's not. Oh, hey, look, it's turning pink!
Oh, thank God. I was so worried. Okay, I'm gonna stop reading the box. I don't care anymore.
Let's get the bottom. Wow, it's really turning pink. Maybe
it
we
turning pink on my hair?
shouldn't have done the roots first.
I'm good for it.
Okay, because like,
I don't know, you just started
it's
going.
your roots that are turning pink.
Well, they probably, I don't know, absorb better.
Heat, I don't know.
Can they absorb too much? What is too much pink?
It'll be darker, maybe?
So that's fine, right?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Doesn't that stand to reason?
Yeah.
is lather.
No.
Oh.
I don't think hair color
I
lathers.
feel like hair color definitely lathers.
I feel like it doesn't. I feel
Well-
like you're wrong. You want to make a bet?
Yes, but the only payoff happens.
I'll bet you
if Brad-
lunch.
Fine. The only source I will take on this is Brad Mondo.
Yeah. Brad Mondo, who's buying who lunch? Does hair color
Specifically in
lather?
reference to this,
Not bleach, but like hair color.
just the color.
Just the color.
Because as we all know, bleach definitely
We
does
know.
totally for real lather. That's Brad taught us.
All right. So this is what it looks like now that it's dry.
I haven't seen it dry.
He hasn't seen it yet, but I think it looks really, really good.
Yeah, friend's back.
Yeah. Look. Wow. That looks really good. It looks so good.
Whoa, Jesus Christ, it's so pink. We did it, it's very pink.
How do you feel about it? You like it?
Weird.
You like it?
Yeah, it doesn't look like my head. It's so soft. Wow, you did like a really good job. It's like evenly pink.
Thank you.
So is my scalp. But
Yeah, your scalp
so
is
is
a
that
little, your scalp is a little pink. But your hair looks really nice.
Thanks, I like it.
Good. Here, yeah, just have it sideways so we can show the people.
The pink.
The pink. Yeah, turn that way so it's in the light. Oh, it's so shiny. It's so pretty. Yeah, shake your head a little bit. Ah.